Hi guys, Tiffany here. Today I'm going to show you as my superpower, my ability to bake. I chose a really simple recipe that my kids love, which is a lemon cookie cake. So we're going to jump right into it, and step by step I'm going to show you how I make these very simple, easy cookies. First thing you're going to do is set your oven for 375 to preheat, and then I've already gathered the ingredients. So for this recipe, it's really simple. It's 1 box of lemon cake mix, a third of a cup of confectionery sugar, a teaspoon of lemon extract, a third of a cup of oil. I use vegetable oil, and 2 eggs, which I forgot in the refrigerator. So really simple, you're going to take all the ingredients except for the confectionery sugar and put it in your bowl, or in my case, I'm going to use a KitchenAid because I think it makes it a little bit easier for me to mix it. And I'm not really worried about the order, I'm just dumping it right in because this is a really simple recipe. You cannot mess it up. So in goes the cake mix. In goes the oil. In goes 2 eggs. And 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. This stuff is really strong, so a little bit goes a really long way. Now I'm going to turn my mixer on and just let it, lock it in place first. I'm going to turn my mixer on and just let it go. And just kind of squish down the sides as I go along with the cake mix, so it doesn't come out really bunny like a cake mix. It actually comes out really thick. And I'm mixing. Beat down the sides. It's a really thick mix. Smells super lemony. Something really simple, and my kids actually love it, and they hate lemons. So the first time I made it, they thought it was going to be gross. And now they absolutely love them. And they're super easy to make. The only thing is that this dough gets very sticky. Mixing it up. Really no science. This is the easiest thing you could probably make. Like, somebody that can't bake or cook can really easily make these. So, show you what your cake mix, cookie mix looks like. It's super thick. See there? Very thick and sticky. Now what I've learned is I like to chill it for a little bit before I try to make these cookies. So I'm just going to stick it in my fridge for about 15 minutes. Okay guys, so after that's chilled, next step is to take a third cup of confectionery sugar. And I went a little over, no big deal, because this is just to coat the outside. Drop it in my bowl. Then I'm going to take either a spoon or a cookie portioner. And I'm going to grab small portions of cookie. Drop it in my hands. Yes, my hands are washed already. Drop it in my hand. Roll it like a meatball or like Play-Doh into a little ball. Drop it right in my confectionery sugar. I'm going to roll it around so it's completely coated. So I'll do a couple for you, and then drop it right onto my cookie sheets. I have my little cookie covered in my confectionery sugar. These are fun to make, but they are very sticky. Even after hardening up the dough in the fridge, I still find it to be a little difficult to work with. I usually make my 14-year-old son help me because he doesn't mind getting all yucky. So I'm just going to keep rolling, and I'd say you could probably get about 12 on a cookie sheet. So once you have your cookie sheet all prepared, you're going to put them right in the oven. Recipe says approximately 6 to 9 minutes. I usually check them at like 7. Because it's such a hard cookie to work with, I tend to make them a little bit bigger, so mine have to cook a little bit longer. Just because I'm sick and tired of getting my hands all sticky, so I make less cookies, a little bit bigger. Put them in the oven. I'm going to set my timer for 7 minutes. You can tell when they're done, they spread out a little bit, and they have like a kind of golden yellow peeking through the white confectionery sugar. So we'll just watch and wait for them to bake. Okay, and we have our end result. Lemon cake cookies. You see them? Ooey gooey goodness. They don't last very long in my house. Super simple to do. This first batch actually took 9 minutes to cook. The second batch in there will probably be closer to the 7-8 minute mark because I made them smaller. Again, I was being lazy. They're kind of sticky. I don't want them all stuck to my hands. Thanks, guys.